that.
Oh my god.
Can someone pass me one more paper?
Then fold it like this.
Just turn it off.
Wait. Can I have a piece of paper?
You can't make a paper airplane.
Wait. Miss Lord, you're gonna have to wait
Go
for a
back.
second.
Okay? So, we folded it like that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay, and then fold it like that.
Let's make a kick-ass airplane. Coolest class ever. It's Florida, we're making airplanes.
We're being
Okay? Open it up,
Yeah. Wait, Mr.
turn it over,
Wait. Oh, so you fold the other way? Is that?
and then fold it. Like that.
Just slow down.
Wait. So let's
We're not good at
Okay,
this.
open it, here, I'll do that thing here. Open it up, place it down, point that in there, and then fold that back.
Mr. Lloyd, go at the speed of light, slow down.
Okay, so from here, fold it in half.
Yeah, turn it over, hold it in half.
Thank you.
Oh, when we get to it, it's done.
Okay.
That is how we're going to
Now, take it and do this and do that. Take this, turn it over, and do that.
So both of them do the same thing?
Yeah. We now have paper airplanes. Just kidding. Okay, now watch what I do carefully.
Wait.
Okay, look here. Put this in here.
What?
What? Oh, okay. Wait.
This,
Wait, which side is it? Oh.
Yeah.
and that there.
Wait, how did yours bend? Oh, like this?
Oh,
Oh, I got
You're
it.
so bad at
I got this.
Here.
How?
Alright.
Then take this.
No, Mr. Lloyd.
So
And fold that down.
Okay.
There's definitely an easier way to do
cool. Wait, so
this.
from here, you fold this.
Okay, I'll do this again.
Oh, okay, I see.
This in here.
Mine's not pointed. That's mine.
Okay,
Oh, I folded on the
like that. And then fold this.
Oh, I see.
Oh, wait, what?
Oh.
I think I need to start over.
Okay, if you all got that,
Why didn't we do it like the way we did it already? Why did we have to like fold it inside out?
all right. Take this corner, fold it here.
Take one corner.
This corner, fold it there. This corner, fold it there.
Oh, I guess this one.
Flatten that all down. Take this, fold it here.
I know. I totally know.
This, hold it there.
So wait, once you get to here, what do you do after this one? Yeah, just stop. Oh, stop here.
Okay? You got that? All right. The next step is tricky, okay? Turn it like this. Now, watch carefully, because this is the trickiest one, and it's a hard fold. Watch what I do. I'm going to push this in like this. Do you see what I've done to that? Okay. I'm going to take this, one of these, and you're going to push that in like that. Until we get this little part sticking up like that, all right? Then hold it down here, and then push that hard down. like that.
I can see that.
Yes.
What?
Turn it around and do the same thing to this one. Okay?
Oh, I got it. The one I got.
And then fold that back down like
One
that.
thing I got. Okay, take the entire thing.
These things like this.
Like this. Yeah, no, we need
We're
it.
doing like origami.
So then wait, from here do you fold it back or forward?
Back.
Yeah, fold them back. Yeah, back like this. And
Look at
do
this.
the other one.
One of these mine's better than one of them at least.
I'm fine. Shut up.
Sorry. I'm so happy I'm getting this.
You're not good at origami, okay?
No one is.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Oh yeah.
I've noticed the
Oh, this is gonna fly so well. No, no,
It's
actually.
like a glider.
This is gonna be so cool.
And do the other one as well.
Wait, okay. I
So like this.
started this here.
When you have this, just close.
Okay. I'm gonna start from scratch. I'm gonna take things in later.
Do we have all that?
I feel like mine are the only one that are like really even.
Okay, have we all done this? Both of them?
Yay, let's go.
Okay, watch what we do now.
Watch me.
Grab it here and here like this. Turn it over. Grab it like that. Turn it over. And do this.
So fold it
Where do we fold it?
like this.
Okay? So you're turning it over like this, and you're folding it so those two things stick out like that.
Like this.
Watch, I'll do it again. Hold it here, turn it over, flip it this way.
Yeah.
And pull that. Now, you have a side with all this, and you have a side just with that. Okay? So, it's this side here, which is that little bit, those two, and then you fold that up like this. Hold that up. See, with just the one split, not the many, just the one. Fold it up like that.
Yeah, it's right.
No, look, wait. This one.
We should have something that looks like this now.
Wait, was I supposed to make two? Wow.
Okay. Take this, and from there, fold one wing down like that, fold the other wing down like this. We now have something that looks like that, okay? Not finished.
Just fold these.
Just take these, and from the motor, we'll call it the motor engine, just fold that down, turn that over,
Fold this down.
fold this down, like that.
It's so lopsided, so.
Okay,
It already crashed.
one of them, we now have this, okay? One of them, you don't, just about halfway, fold your wings down, just about halfway like that. And fold that wing down like so. Just one blade